In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate LinkedIn posts with images using n8n. We'll walk through every detail step by step, ensuring you understand how to build a seamless workflow that will help you automate posting and drive affiliate sales efficiently. First things first, open up n8n. If you're new to it, n8n is a powerful tool that allows you to automate tasks by creating workflows without any coding, which is perfect for our LinkedIn posting needs. Once you've got it open, head over to the option to create a new workflow. Go ahead and give your workflow a distinct name, something like LinkedIn Affiliate Post Generator, which will make it easy to find or edit later. Now, let's set up the backbone of our workflow by adding a trigger. This is essentially what prompts your workflow to start running. You have several choices here. If you're just testing things out, a manual trigger is a great option as it lets you activate the workflow manually. However, if you want this to run on a consistent schedule, say daily or even hourly, a schedule trigger would be ideal. Alternatively, if you need the workflow to start from an action in another app, you can use a webhook trigger. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, we'll need to gather the product information that you want to include in your LinkedIn post. The beauty of n8n is its flexibility in sourcing this data. You can pull in data from several sources like Google Sheets if your data is stored in spreadsheets, or Airtable if that's your preference. If your product details reside in a feed, consider using an RSS feed, or if you're integrating with an e-commerce platform, you might use Shopify, Amazon PA API, AvantLink API, or Share a Sale API. For example, your data might look something like this: a product you're promoting called AI Writing Tool, priced at $29 with a corresponding product URL. With product information in hand, you're ready to generate the LinkedIn post using artificial intelligence. Start by adding an AI agent node to your workflow. This will handle the creation of the content for your post. You'll want to connect this to an OpenAI chat model or another supported large language model. These tools are incredibly helpful for generating engaging and relevant post content. For those using AvantLink for affiliate marketing, there's a further step. Add an HTTP request node to your workflow, which you'll use to call the AvantLink Custom Link API to retrieve your affiliate URL. This API call will ensure that the link you're sharing is both accurate and properly attributed to your account, allowing you to earn commissions from clicks through LinkedIn. And that's how you can create affiliate LinkedIn posts with images in n8n. Once everything is set up, you can test your workflow to make sure it's running smoothly and making your LinkedIn affiliate marketing a breeze. Thanks for following along and happy posting.